Hi guys, today something's wrong with my YouTube video, my YouTube on YouTube, and for some reason the sound when I upload a video with the sound it shows me this error. I tried to do this, but it wants. But I tried to do some videos, and they wanted me to delete the app data. And how can I do this without deleting the app data? And I found those like one of these like I don't know how how can I tried to do it so much times. I don't know how to do this without deleting app data. And guys, so so guys, maybe you can figure out how to do it without deleting any data. How can I fix upload? Because how to fix like upload failed without using any without even resetting deleted all the data from YouTube. Like, what do that this I don't want my information to be deleted on YouTube, and these and else I don't know how I can fix this. Please YouTubers, can you help me? How can I do this? You can see that I tried to make a video and it was failed, and I didn't want to do it. But people, let me find out. If you find out in the comments, because I have no idea how to do it without losing my data. Why did maybe I supposed to push stop the app. And it still does not work. Never mind. I couldn't use voice stuff. If this is impossible for me to do, I guess I'll give up on YouTube and never upload YouTube videos ever again. I don't know, YouTube. YouTube, if you're watching this, please help me. Just please help. Please help. Please probably give me a little tip without deleting all my data in this app. I guess this is impossible. Why YouTube? Tell me why this happens. Why YouTube? Is this for a known reason, or you don't let me upload videos on YouTube? Oh my god, YouTube. I kind of give up on videos for the rest of the day. Man, I'm probably gonna be gone forever. Sorry, YouTube. But I guess I will be gone if there's no way how to do it without deleting all my data.